In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently track your time using Jira with the power of Google. Let's dive right into the process and ensure you have the tools you need to manage your tasks effectively. First things first, you'll want to start by navigating to Jira. If you're not familiar, Jira is a fantastic platform for project management and issue tracking, widely used across industries to facilitate team collaboration and streamline workflows. With Google as your guide, accessing Jira is just a click away, so go ahead and open your web browser and head over to Jira. Once you've arrived at the Jira homepage, let's focus on extending its capabilities by exploring additional apps. These apps are designed to enhance your experience and bring more functionality to your everyday project management tasks. On the main dashboard, look towards the top menu where you'll find the Apps section. Give that a click and then choose Explore More Apps. This repository is like a treasure trove of extensions and tools that can really elevate your project management skills. Now, while you're browsing through these potential apps, the one we're particularly interested in today is called Work Logs, Time Tracking, Time Reports, Timesheets. This app will be your go-to solution for effective time management within Jira. Use the search bar or scroll through the categories until you see it. Once you've found Work Logs, go ahead and click Try It Free. By doing so, you're enabling a trial version of the app to start monitoring the time you spend on various tasks. Tracking time can be transformative in understanding how much effort goes into different segments of your projects and can provide insights to improve efficiency. With Work Logs, you can generate time reports and timesheets that illustrate where your or your team's time is being devoted. This kind of data is invaluable when making decisions about resource allocation and task prioritization. Now, all that's left to do is start using the app to track your tasks. Notice how easy it is to log work on issues you or your team are working on, allocate time, and review how you're tracking against your goals. If you ever need to review the data or generate reports, just navigate back to the app within Jira, and all your information will be readily available. And there you have it. By integrating Work Logs into your Jira workflow, you're on your way to mastering time management and setting your projects up for success. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope these simple steps have given you the confidence to make the most of your time tracking efforts. Until next time, happy tracking.